The human digestive system. Digestion. There are phases of digestion, and these include 1. Ingestion, 2. Movement, 3. Mechanical and chemical digestion, 4. Absorption, and 5. Elimination. Digestion has two types. 1. The mechanical and or physical, and 2. The chemical. Under mechanical digestion, it includes chew, tear, grind, mash, and mix. For chemical digestion, enzymatic reaction to improve digestion of carbohydrates, protein, and lipids. Digestive system organization. The gastrointestinal tract. A tube within a tube. Direct link or path between organs. And the structures of digestive system include mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum. Mouth. The teeth mechanically break down food into small pieces. The tongue mixes food with saliva, contains amylase, which helps break down starch. The epiglottis is a flap-like structure at the back of the throat that closes over the trachea, preventing food from entering it. Esophagus, approximately 10 inches long. Functions include 1. Secrete mucus, 2. Moves food from the throat to the stomach using the muscle movement called peristalsis. If acid from the stomach gets in here, that's heartburn. The stomach. GA-shaped muscular bag that stores the food you eat. Break it down into tiny pieces. The stomach mixes food with digestive juices that contain enzymes to break down proteins and lipids. Acid in the stomach kills the bacteria, and the food found in the stomach is called chyme. Small intestine. Small intestines are roughly 7 meters long. Lining of the intestine walls has finger-like projections called villi to increase surface area. The villi are covered in microvilli, which further increases surface area for absorption. This is the animated picture of what we call villi and microvilli. In the small intestine, the nutrients from the food pass into the bloodstream through the small intestine walls. The small intestine absorbs 80% ingested water, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. It secretes also digestive enzyme. The large intestine, it is about 5 feet long. It accepts what small intestine don't absorb. The rectum, short-term storage which holds feces before it is expelled. The large intestine, its functions, bacterial digestion, ferment carbohydrates, protein breakdown. It also absorbs more water, concentrate waste. There are what we call accessory organs. They are not part of the path of food but play a critical role. These include liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. The liver. It directly affects digestion by producing bile. Bile helps digest fat, filters out toxins, and waste including drugs and alcohol. Gallbladder stores bile from the liver, releases it into the small intestine. Fatty diets can cause gallstones. Pancreas. It produces digestive enzymes to digest fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. It regulates blood sugar by producing insulin. Fun facts. How long are your intestines? At least 25 feet in an adult. Be glad you're not a full-grown horse. Their coiled up intestines are 89 feet long. And food drying up and hanging out in the large intestine can last 18 hours to 2 days. In your lifetime, your digestive system may handle about 50 tons. Name of each colored organ. What do you call the organ that is colored green? What do you call the organ that is colored red? What do you call the organ that is colored pink? What do you call the organ that is brown? What do you call the organ that is purple? What do you call the organ that is yellow?